The Spanish region of Catalonia dominated the headlines last month due to its independence referendum, in which over 90% of voters opted to gain independence from Spain. However, the turnout was fairly low at just 43%, and the Spanish government has declared the vote illegal. It's added to the uncertainty already present in the Eurozone, but it hasn't yet had an adverse impact on the Spanish stock exchange, as the IBEX index posted a gain last month of nearly 1.5%. The UK economy grew by 0.4% in the third quarter, which is higher than expected and higher than the 0.3% in the second quarter. However, these figures are still low relative to most developed areas, such as the US and the Eurozone, where the growth figures are much higher. Nevertheless, the higher than expected growth, along with the 5-year high inflation at 3%, has contributed to the Bank of England finally deciding to increase interest rates for the first time in 10 years. Throughout October, equity markets performed well once again. The FTSE 100 index and the S&P 500 index both reached new all-time highs. In Japan, Shinzo Abe won his snap election very comfortably, and the Topix index rose by more than 5%. In the commodities world, oil has been rising steadily for the last 4 months, and last week it surpassed $60 per barrel for the first time in 2 years. Not only will the rate rise be having an effect on markets this month, but in a few weeks' time, the Chancellor will be delivering his annual budget. We'll be watching it closely, and you can follow our updates on the website and on social media. We remain highly diversified in our multi-asset funds, and our calls in particular have been performing very well in the rising markets, and we do have puts in place should there be a downturn.